I've got a great little tool tip for you. If you're ever driving around and you see one of these old stands, let me show you real quick what it is. It's one of those stands that they use for a chop saw. It's a rigid stand. It has two of these on either side. They'd extend out, and it would be a material support for a chop saw. As I get older, I hate bending down all the time, and I'm always looking for a portable table. Take a look at this idea. This is one of those things, repurposing. You grab the handle here and pull it out. Okay. And then in through here, instant work table. Normally there would have been a chop saw right here. Again, this would have pulled out and been a material support. But hopefully this will be of some use for you. I just find this super handy, having a table that's got wheels on it and can go where I'm working. I just love the idea of having tables around me. I'll catch you on the next one.